What if you could design the system behind your favorite theme park ride, streamline patient flow in a hospital, optimize global supply chains, or help launch the next breakthrough in technology? That's what an industrial and systems engineer does. Imagine the engineering project is baking a cake. Say you have a mechanical engineer in charge of the cake batter, an electrical engineer in charge of the oven, a materials engineer in charge of the icing. What's the IE in charge of? The cake itself. IEs work across and with different disciplines of problem solving, whether business or engineering focused, to perfect processes and then scale them. Now imagine baking 10,000 cakes a day, delivering them worldwide, minimizing waste, controlling costs, and ensuring perfect quality every time. That's IE. With an industrial engineering degree, you can work in pharmaceuticals, improving the processes that get people their life-saving medicine.
Hi, my name is Riley Walker and I'm a junior in IE. This past spring, I entered at Eli Lilly and Company as a warehouse process intern. In this role, I implemented a new logistics integration framework technology to optimize warehouse material flow and ultimately push medicine out the door into the patients faster.
In construction, maintaining quality is needed to build safer houses and homes.
Hi, my name is Timmy Egley and I'm a junior in industrial engineering. Last summer I interned with PCL Industrial Services as a field engineer intern. Over the course of my internship, I performed quality control inspections and developed a work breakdown structure for closeout tasks.
In operations, finding optimal solutions to problems in order to give people their entertainment on time.
Hi, my name is Kai Mahamaris and I'm a junior in industrial engineering. I worked as an operations intern at Lakeside Book Company, where I developed systems to ensure that people get their books on time.
In space, scaling the systems that send us to the stars.
Hi, my name is Anthony Mendoza. I'm a senior studying industrial engineering, and last year I interned with Blue Origin. As a responsible engineering intern, I helped improve launch operations by improving operator ergonomics, recommending design changes for assembly improvements, and implementing lean manufacturing practices to reduce the barrier to orbit.
Whether it's finance, sports analytics, aerospace, logistics, consulting, sustainability, defense, energy, everything is a system, and every system needs an IE. At Purdue University, industrial engineering students don't just learn theory, they live it. Purdue IE students tackle rigorous coursework in optimization, data analytics, human factors, operations research, supply chain engineering, simulation, artificial intelligence, and more. Purdue prepares students so that when they walk into any facility, a factory, hospital, warehouse, startup, or corporate office, they can immediately identify inefficiencies and implement real solutions. They graduate ready to lead.
I'm Kenny Halls. I'm a sophomore here at Purdue University studying industrial engineering, and I'm originally from Overland Park, Kansas. So I think another part of industrial engineering is I have several different career roles that I'd be interested in, and industrial engineering supports all of them. So one key kind of goal that I'm working on right now is running my own business. And so right now I have a startup called Out of Education, which focuses on delivering EdTech to local public schools. And through that, I would operate more as like a CEO and founder role, trying to build my business and employing others and seeing how I can apply my skills to teaching others. And so in industrial engineering, you learn a little bit about technical competencies, business side of it, and really everything in between. And that allows you to see everything in life as a system.
IE has produced leaders across industry and education, like Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, who's an Auburn IE alum, Patty Poppy, a Purdue IE alum and CEO of Pacific Gas and Electric, and the first woman to be the CEO of 2 Fortune 500 companies, and Lillian Gilbreth, America's first lady of engineering and the honorary founding member of the Society of Women Engineers.
I can't think of a discipline more necessary at this moment of worldwide challenge and opportunity. I can't think of a calling more committed to serving others. And I can't think of a group of people that I would be prouder to call my colleagues and friends.
So if you're a high school student who loves math, teamwork, leadership, and solving real problems, or if you're a teacher or counselor guiding students toward versatile, high-impact careers, consider industrial and systems engineering. You won't just learn how systems work, you'll learn how to make them better.